Welcome to Module 1 of our comprehensive cybersecurity course. In this module, we'll explore the fundamentals of cybersecurity, why it matters in today's digital world, and the various types of cyber threats that individuals and organizations face every day. Let's dive in. Before we get into the details, let's start with a simple question. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, servers, mobile devices, networks, and data from malicious attacks. It involves a set of technologies, processes, and controls designed to reduce the risk of cyber threats. Key areas of cybersecurity include network security, information security, application security, operational security, and end-user security. In today's interconnected world, cybersecurity is more important than ever. Every minute, cybercriminals launch new attacks targeting businesses, governments, and individuals. But why is cybersecurity so critical? Reasons why cybersecurity matters include rising cybercrime, financial losses, data privacy concerns, and national security risks. In 2023, cyber attacks cost businesses an estimated $8 trillion globally, and this number is expected to rise. This is why cybersecurity is not just an option, it's a necessity. Cyber threats come in different forms, each designed to exploit weaknesses in a system. Let's explore some of the most common ones. Malware is software created to harm or exploit any device or network. Have you ever received an email that looked real but was actually a scam? Imagine losing access to all your important files, and the only way to get them back is by paying hackers a ransom. Have you ever tried accessing a website, but it was suddenly down? It could be a DDoS attack. These are just a few examples of cyber threats. And as technology evolves, new threats emerge. This is why cybersecurity professionals are in high demand. If you're interested in making the digital world a safer place, cybersecurity offers exciting career opportunities. Cybersecurity is one of the highest-paying fields in IT, with salaries starting from $80,000 to $150,000 plus per year. Now it's your turn. Let's test your knowledge with a quick activity. Great job! In the next module, we'll dive deeper into cyber threats and attack techniques, so stay tuned. Stay safe online and keep learning. See you in the next module.